enjoying the outdoors with their family members. It turns out to be now more of a family event. We've got the moms, the dads, brothers and sisters, and they actually catch fish. As you can see, we have a netted area here. We have fish that have been donated by Texas Parks and Wildlife. They're all catfish, anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4, even 5-pounders are out there. So they get to catch fish, they get to take it home and cook the fish. So really, it's a great event. We have a lot of sponsors that help us put this event together, and of course, both school districts, the LISD and LISD. We started 16 years ago with about 25 students. Now we have over 200 out here. So it's their day. It's where they get to come out and